Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today's unboxing and review is Universal Monsters. This is the Wolfman, and this is by Neca Toys. And yeah, the artwork on this box is really well done. The Universal Monsters figures by Neca, the artwork on them has been very impressive. And yeah, this is another one like the other ones I've had for a while. I just haven't gotten into reviewing it yet, so I was glad to do this today, and I hope you liked the review. Thank you for watching, and yeah, let me know what you think about it in the comments section. But otherwise, I hope you have a great day. And here's a shot of the inside of the box and everything that he comes with. And here he is out of the box, all set up, and I'll get right into showing you a close-up. And yeah, the details on his face and how they did his eyes, I think are the most impressive part. There's actually a lot of detail in his eyes, but they did a great job on his hands. And yeah, just his overall look, I think, is very well done. Only thing I would say I wasn't too big a fan of is how shiny his shirt looks. Yeah, I kind of wish it was more of a matte. But yeah, he does come with like that little foot stand, because when you have these little wolf feet on him, they're not flat, so he doesn't stand properly. But yeah, these are articulated, and yeah, like there's a little hole for that stand. So yeah, that's cool that they included that. But yeah, he looks great. The detail in his clothing, they did a great job with. Yeah, this is very movie accurate. It's just, yeah, you really can't stand him up on that little stand with those feet. But I'll show you some articulation here. He's got pretty good range of motion in his arms. And yeah, no problems. Everything moves nicely, and everything, it doesn't feel like anything's just gonna fall out or anything. So yeah, he's well articulated, and it's symmetrical on each side. And yeah, same exact articulation on this side. Yeah, he looks great. Not really much articulation in the waist, but he does have a bit of a turn. Not too much though. I was a little surprised about that, actually. And he does a split, and that's as far as his knees go. And it's the same on each side. This figure is pretty symmetrical. So that's what you can get from his articulation. And a little bit of head movement. His head it's not just on like a little ball thingy. It's like a column. It's like an extended neck. But yeah, there he is. And I'll show you this alternate head. Yeah, his eyes, were really impressive. They very much look realistic, and yeah, you saw how he tipped over. I have a hard time standing him up on that, but yeah, see, like his neck, it's like a column. That's what I meant by that. And yeah, it looks great though. And then his human form head, which I think they did a fantastic job with the details on this. The likeness is fantastic, I thought. Yeah, I like how they did the hair. Yeah, everything looks great on this. Yeah, same kind of attachment. So I don't really know why they did it like that. And here are his alternate feet, his human form feet, which actually have a lot of detail. And yeah, some articulation. And yeah, and it has a hole there if you want to have him in his human form. He fits on that black stand. And same thing on this one. Nicely detailed. And same articulation. And yeah, so they both feet have that hole, so you can put them on either foot goes on the stand. Yeah, pretty good range of motion in his feet. So that's the feet, and here are some alternate hands that he comes with. And these are well detailed. Yeah, the likeness is great. I love the details. Very human-like. Very realistic, I should say. Yeah, they did a good job with these. And this is the hand that he has for his cane. Yep, well done. Speaking of the cane, this is pretty cool, because you remember in the movie it has a wolf head, and yeah, this is detailed. You can see the wolf teeth in it. Yeah, I really like this a lot. And yeah, it's pretty cool little accessory that he comes with. And the foot trap. This is a little this is a little awkward, and you try, like, when you try to get him to stand with his foot in it, you can't really get him to balance. Well, at least I couldn't get him to balance. I had to use a stand. But here are some different poses that you can get him into. Yeah, I think he looks fantastic. They did a great job with the details. And yeah, so that's like a doll stand. Those doll stands that I like to use. But yeah, I think he looks great. Let me know what you think, and thank you for watching.